Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm May, Senior Designer at Google. Today we are going to dive into one of the most common aspects of product design interview, answering questions. But we'll put a twist on it. We'll cover how to answer the same questions from both a junior designer's perspective and a senior designer's perspective. Stay to the end for 3 tips I have for you. So, the first question, tell me about yourself and your experience in product design.
I've been doing product design for a few years now, working on different projects, blank, and learning along the way about blank.
I've been deeply involved in product design for many years, focusing on creating solutions for blank that not only meet users' needs, but also drive business success. Second question, what's your design process like?
My design process is all about understanding what users need and then trying out ideas to see what works best.
My design process revolves around thorough research, collaborative ideation with workshop, and iterative prototyping. Third question, can you walk me through a project you've worked on from start to finish?
Sure, there was this project where we wanted to create a new app for helping people track their fitness goals. Then you can use the STAR framework to talk about your own story.
I led a project where we aimed to revolutionize the customer experience for a leading e-commerce platform, and then use the STAR framework to talk about how they lead it. Fourth question, how do you approach solving a design problem with limited resources or time?
When we don't have a lot of time or resources, I focus on what's most important and try to find creative ways to make it happen.
When resources are constrained, I focus on leveraging existing strengths and patterns, try to prioritize initiatives with the highest impact. Question 5. Tell me about a time when you had to advocate for a design decision.
Once I had to convince everyone that a certain design idea was the right way to go.
In a recent project, I campaigned a design direction that aligned with users' needs and strategic objectives. Question 6. How do you stay updated on design trends and best practices?
I like to keep learning and stay connected with other designers. I read articles, watch videos, and sometimes attend conferences to see what's new and exciting in the design world.
I remain at the forefront of design trends and best practices through continuous learning, engagement with industry thought leaders, and participation in professional development initiatives.
Question 7. Can you describe a challenging interaction you have had with a team member or a stakeholder during a project? How did you handle it? There was a time when someone didn't agree with the direction we were taking on a project. Instead of arguing, I listened to their concerns and tried to find a solution that worked for everyone. It took some time, but we eventually found common ground.
I encountered different perspectives among stakeholders regarding the design decision. Through empathetic communication and strategic negotiation, I facilitated collaborative decision-making, foster alignment, and drive the project forward. Question number 8. How do you prioritize features when designing a project?
I focus on what's most important to users and what will make the biggest impact. We talk to users, look at data, and decide together which features are essential for making the product really useful.
Feature prioritization is guided by strategic understanding of user needs, business objectives, and technical feasibility. By conducting thorough analysis and leveraging user feedback, we prioritize features that deliver maximum value and drive product success. Question number 9. What's your approach to incorporating feedback into your design?
Feedback is really important for making our designs better. Whenever we get feedback, we take a close look at it and see if there's anything we can learn from it. Then we make changes to our designs based on what we've learned.
I emphasize feedback as a continuous improvement tool, leveraging actionable insights to iteratively refine our designs and ensure that they resonate with users. Question 10. Where do you see the future of product design heading?
I think product design will continue to focus on making things that are easy and enjoyable to use. As technology keeps advancing, we'll have more opportunities to create really cool and helpful products that make people's lives better.
The future product design will be characterized by a seamless integration of technology, human-centered design principles, and societal impact. Designers will play an important role in shaping experiences that are not only innovative but also ethical, inclusive, and sustainable. Here are my 3 tips. First, try to start your answer with a punchline and an impact. Provide a quick summary upfront so your interviewers can grasp your main points right away. Second, focus on structural details rather than individual anecdotes. Highlight different phases, milestones, and key data points. Avoid getting caught up in he said, I said scenarios. And third, emphasize your individual contributions. Tease out what you specifically did differently from your team to avoid any misconceptions about your role. Answers provided are simplified for demonstrating purposes. Don't forget to insert your own story using the STAR framework in the video I created before. Let's continue to elevate the practice of design together. See you next time. Bye.